9 to 10. Do we want to see about a drone? It's not as dense top cover over here.
10-9, the last part, there was a car coming by.
We don't have the same density in top cover over here if we wanted to see if a drone could come out.
10-4 Lake, is there anybody available in Sector 2 of the drone tonight, please?
10-4, stand by.
This is a drone. He's in between 460 and 464 East Gibbons. So he's at the front of 464 East Gibbons. He's walking west towards the woods. He went to the trail. If you go all the way down East Gibbons, take a right. There's a small trail. He's about 20 yards into the woods, just standing there. We got one detained.